on Mars when the sun rises on the planet in a few hours' time. That's when the robot vehicle on the Pathfinder probe will make its first journey across the surface. Emma Kennedy reports.
There it is.
Communications finally restored. The robot Sojourner drives down the ramp from the Pathfinder and onto the surface of Mars. At Mission Control, cheers of relief after more than 12 hours of software problems which threatened the project's success.
We're really looking forward to getting it on with the rest of the mission, getting the rover out there, looking at some of those rocks, and that'll be what we're going to do in the following days.
Travelling at a rate of 16 inches a minute, Sojourner will move across the surface of Mars, taking 3D photographs and analysing samples of rock and soil. The solar-powered vehicle is controlled by scientists at NASA, 309 million miles away. They've already pieced together earlier photographs showing a panorama of Mars. The first 3D images from Sojourner should arrive back tomorrow. Emma Kennedy, ITN.
The Foreign Office is warning British people in Cambodia to stay off the streets after heavy fighting in the capital, Phnom Penh. Two rival political factions began the battles after the collapse of the coalition government. Terry Lloyd has just sent this report from the city by satellite phone.
February, when scientists in Scotland revealed that she had been cloned from a twin sheep. It sparked off a debate about the ethics of cloning. Now scientists have turned their attention to creating cows which can make human blood. Using the cloning technology, scientists would use chemical scissors to replace the animal's blood plasma genes with a human equivalent. When the animals produced milk, it would contain the key elements of human blood plasma. These would then be extracted and mixed to produce human plasma. The first plasma could be produced within months.
It will give us a source of very pure proteins, very large quantities, and so it will be a more economical production system than the present method.
But there are still concerns about the technique.
One of the worries about these kind of species-to-species transfers is that we might introduce some virus which has no problem in the animal from which it's come, but causes a disease which is entirely unexpected in a human being.
The BMA says the technique will alleviate the shortage of blood products. Eileen Whelan, ITN.
Pete Sampras took the men's single title at Wimbledon